Good morning, everyone. I just left from my hotel in Ayodhya and I am heading towards Sanauli. Sanauli is the border with India and Nepal, and Sanauli is about 197 kilometers from Ayodhya, and it should take me about 5.5 to 6 hours, including a breakfast break. It's quite early now, so I'll have breakfast a little later. I'll try and cover as much as possible by then and find some place to have a quick bite before I proceed to Sanoli. So that's the plan today. Yesterday I had a great time in Ayodhya. Everything happened quite well and pretty fast. So I was planning to go for darshan today, but that was also done yesterday only. So I saved one day, and so I'm leaving today to Sanauli. My original plan was, after completing Ayodhya, to go to Raxaul in Bihar and cross over to Nepal from there. But quite a few people advised me that it's logical that I proceed ahead instead of going back. And they also said that Sanauli is a better border to cross rather than Raxaul. So I am heading to Sanauli. Depending on when I reach Sanauli and how much time does it take for all the formalities of document processing, I will decide on should I leave for Kathmandu today only, or should I plan to do that tomorrow, or should I leave today and then go halfway uh, as much as possible and stay over for the night at some place in between and continue the ride to Kathmandu tomorrow. So all of these I'll decide after the processing of all the formalities are completed at Sanauli border. The route to Sanauli is via Basti, and most of the road seems to be a two-way road because it goes through a lot of interior villages. I thought of stopping over for breakfast at Basti, but I think the Google map showed me to avoid the town and then go from outside only, a bypass road, and I think that was logical. I followed that, but unfortunately I have not found anything reasonable to eat along the way. Early morning it's always been only those roadside stalls selling fried items, but I couldn't find any reasonable place to eat something good. So I just continued, and I'm trying to see if I can find something on the way. I'll have it here, or I may have to just continue proceeding all the way up to Sanauli like this only. Okay, so I've reached Sanauli, and the first thing I want to do is withdraw some Indian rupees cash so that I can convert this into Nepali rupees later on. There seems to be an SBI ATM, but I will have to just go inside and then come out, which I would want to avoid. Let me see if there are. There seems to be more ATMs on the road only. I'll just stop over at this HDFC ATM, which seems to be pretty close over here. It's extremely hot and I'm just getting roasted in this riding gear. And I am seeing a lot of Nepali guys coming in from that side. They are also wearing those down jackets because when they descend from uh, those mountains, they are also wearing cold protection jackets, and they are also getting roasted in this heat. Quite a bit of traffic chaos over here. So the left side part of the road is all occupied by trucks which are waiting for clearance and moving very slow, and all the two-wheelers are taking the right side part of the road and proceeding ahead. So I'm also just following this only, because if I continue to wait in the left side lane, I think I'll be stuck here for at least the entire day. One round of check was done here. They asked me to show an ID proof, either the passport or an Aadhaar card. So I showed my Aadhaar card, and then they told me that just below that gate over there, they asked me to turn right and then go to the second tent and report over there. So that's what I am required to do. This is where I have to turn right and then find the second tent and report over there. Let me just find the tent. Okay, I can see one, two, yes, the second tent over there. Yeah, I'll park the bike here in the shadow. It's really too hot.